Give me that phone. Hey guys, I'm a literal bag man, basically. Yeah. Today I'm gonna show you the flipping story of my. Wait. Oh, it's a cat. Wait. Hold on. Oh, hey. Hello, cat. Yeah. I have 8 potatoes. Hello. Thank you. Anyways, as I said, I'm a bag, and my life is horrible. You know why? People put things in them, things that are useful, like for going to school and stuff, or for work, or sometimes trophies, like this one. Yeah, I won this top score award uh, this year. I mean, I hope I can get it, but hey, at least I already have one, like a pre-made one. Anyways, yeah, I'm voted, of course. You know. That's not what I did, but anyways. So we gotta discuss some things. People who have bags, school bags, work bags, I don't care. I am someone who works for the Bag Republic government, the BRG, all right? And if you dare to, to throw a bag around just like they're nothing, they hold your items, and that's discrimination against bags. I will not, I will not let this happen. How dare you? How dare you throw your bag like it's nothing? Poor bags, man. This is so sickening. So sickening. How dare you? Listen, I don't know why I'm doing this. uh, I hope you guys had a wonderful. Yeah, this is gonna be. Oh, right here. Do y'all see something? Like,